Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought that making big money requires big money to start, think again. In today's video, we're going to shatter that myth and show you 10 incredible strategies to turn little to no initial capital into a whopping $1 million. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, these methods are designed to give you real, actionable steps that can transform your financial future. So, buckle up, grab a notepad, and let's dive into these life-changing strategies that could redefine what you thought was possible in wealth creation. Number 1. Enhancing e-commerce efficiency. By offering to increase the conversion rate of an e-commerce store, such as by improving their website design or email marketing, one can negotiate a share of the increased profit. For instance, securing a 1% commission on a 5% lift in revenue on a 100 million turnover could yield substantial earnings. This method leverages the existing scale and infrastructure of the business to generate mutual benefit. For example, a consultant could partner with a boutique fashion store online to revamp their social media ads and targeting strategies. If this increases the store's annual revenue from $1 million to $1.5 million, a 1% commission would net the consultant $5,000. Number 2. Real estate leveraging. Borrowing capital to purchase real estate and then having tenants cover the mortgage allows for asset acquisition without upfront personal investment. A practical example includes purchasing a multi-unit building and using the rental income to pay off the loan. Over time, the property can appreciate in value, offering both capital gains and rental income. For example, an individual could invest in a distressed property, make renovations funded by a short-term loan, and then either sell it for a profit or rent it out. The rental income could be used to cover the mortgage and generate passive income over time. Number 3. Asset refinancing. Acquiring undervalued assets and refinancing them at their true market value can result in immediate equity gains. This could involve buying a property at a below-market rate, then refinancing based on its actual worth to pull out the difference in cash. This tactic requires good market knowledge and negotiation skills to identify and secure underpriced deals. For example, purchasing an outdated commercial building below market value, renovating it, and then refinancing at the new, higher value could allow an investor to recover all the initial capital plus extra funds from the increased equity. Number 4. Contract and option sales. Obtaining a contract for a property at a lower price and selling it at a higher rate before final purchase utilizes the concept of options in real estate. This strategy can be especially lucrative in hot markets where property values rapidly appreciate. It hinges on securing an agreement at a favorable price and finding a buyer willing to pay more. For example, in a growing suburban area, an investor might secure an option to buy a large plot of land at current prices, predicting that the expansion of nearby urban centers will soon increase its value. The option could later be sold for a profit without ever having to purchase the land outright. Number 5. High-value commissions. Selling high-value items like skyscrapers or luxury residences on commission can result in massive one-time earnings. For instance, a 100 million skyscraper could yield $3 to $4 million in commission. This approach is highly scalable and dependent on one's network and reputation in high-stakes markets. For example, a real estate agent specializes in high-end residential properties in a prestigious neighborhood. Selling a mansion priced at $50 million with a 2% commission rate would earn the agent $1 million from a single transaction. Number 6. Market trends and early investments. Identifying and investing early in trending markets, such as pre-IPO startups or limited edition products, can yield significant returns as demand surges. For example, buying into a startup before it goes public or investing in a popular NFT before it gains widespread attention could result in exponential profit margins. Another example, investing in renewable energy technology before it becomes mainstream. For instance, buying shares in a solar panel startup before it is recognized by major investors could lead to significant gains when the industry gains more traction and value increases. Number 7. Systematic product sales. Breaking down $1 million annual sales goal into weekly targets makes the task manageable. Selling $20,000 worth of products or services each week accumulates to over $1 million by year-end. Consistency and effective marketing strategies are key to maintaining sales momentum. For example, launching an online course on digital marketing priced at $200. Selling 100 courses each week would meet the weekly target of $20,000, accumulating to over $1 million annually. Number 8. Business acquisition. Convincing business owners to hand over their operations for no upfront cost can be an effective way to rapidly expand one's income-generating assets. This requires negotiation skills and an understanding of business valuation to ensure that the acquired businesses are viable and profitable. For example, acquiring a small but profitable online store from an owner looking to retire. By taking over the business with no upfront payment and agreeing to pay a percentage of future profits, one can expand their business portfolio without initial capital expenditure. Number 9, affiliate marketing. Promoting products for other companies and earning a commission on sales is a straightforward way to monetize one's audience. This method benefits from digital marketing skills and a strong online presence, as it involves recommending products and influencing purchase decisions. For example, creating a blog focused on fitness equipment reviews and linking these products to an online store via affiliate links. Each sale made through these links generates a commission, contributing to income without needing to handle physical products. Number 10, arbitrage opportunities. Buying and selling identical products in different markets to exploit price differences can generate quick profits. This could involve purchasing a commodity in one country where it's cheaper and selling it in another where prices are higher. Effective arbitrage requires an understanding of market dynamics and access to logistical means to move products. For example, identifying price differences in vintage watches between different countries. Purchasing at lower prices in one market and selling at higher prices in another can yield profits on each transaction, exploiting global price disparities. Wow, what a journey we've been on today. I hope you found these 10 strategies as exciting as we do. Remember, the path to financial freedom isn't reserved for the few with plenty of capital. It's also accessible to those who start with little or nothing. It all depends on your approach and willingness to learn and adapt. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our future content. We're here to help you make the smart moves that lead to big gains. So take these strategies, apply them, and start building your wealth today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.